Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag TR. Tony here with Betty in Holland, and thank you Betty for showing us. You can just see behind me this wonderful TR3. It's a beautiful car. So Betty's just going to talk us through it, and let's find out more about it.
I bought it 7 years ago.
Yes.
And it drives fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, it's a
beautiful car.
4-cylinder 2-liter TR3A.
Okay, TR3A.
Yeah. We can open the body.
Oh. Yeah, let's have a look. So it's an inline 2-liter.
It is. Yep.
Yeah.
Up.
Very good. 4 cylinders, as you say. Well, everything original, basically. Yeah, that's very good, Betty. Yeah, that's good. I love the design here. And how does it drive?
It drives good, fantastic.
Yes.
Yeah, it starts right well. It drives good.
Yeah.
There's no hesitation or
no vibration or anything like that.
No.
It's original. Yeah. And the colour is British Racing Green.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
That's right. Well, it would be, wouldn't it? Absolutely.
The one and only colour, right?
Absolutely. Well, the cars like this are beautiful. And when was this made? What year?
It's from 57.
1957,
yep.
With the knock-on, knock-off wire wheels, which look iconic. Yeah. Real good style icons, these, aren't they? Even got the original AA plaque on the front there, and there's a badge on the front there, which is good. Where do you drive with the car?
Well, everywhere. when the weather's right, I take the car and drive around, or sometimes we go for a weekend and we take a little tent with us.
Yes.
And we drive mostly in Holland or in Belgium, and then we stay for the night. And
fantastic. Not to like. And inside here we have beautiful dashboard.
Nude the interior.
Yes. So you got
me and my wife did that. Mostly these carpets and
is it comfortable to sit in? Are you comfortable?
Yeah, I'm very comfortable with it.
Yeah, no, that's very good. And some lovely instruments in these. I guess
all the instruments function.
Yeah,
still
goes well. A little rear view mirror there, and got screen wind deflectors here to help. And love the doors on here. The little dinky doors are brilliant, absolutely fantastic. Even with a little glove compartment in there. Look, yeah, that's fantastic. There we are.
And the cover is behind it.
Okay, so you've got all your wet weather gear. In there.
This is just a cover to cover.
A tonneau cover.
A tonneau cover.
So just temporary.
And the other is in the.
Okay, so you've got a full convertible.
Oh, you have to sit there.
And you have to sit, absolutely. Why wouldn't you? Out for a picnic. I love the design of these rear lights here. They're quite unique, aren't they? Beautiful. Yeah. And that's a lovely looking car. Do you get together with other TR3 owners?
No, not only TR3 owners.
No.
The Triumph.
The fraternity,
owners,
you can see here, we've got quite a few come today, which is really good.
Yeah.
So it's, I mean, I've seen these cars around, never got up close and personal to one, you know. So, so it's been really great to see that. What will you plan to do with the car in the longer term?
I just drive and
drive
it, keep it as it is.
Absolutely. And why shouldn't you? That's right. Yeah. And the handling when you were driving, how good is the handling?
Well, you have to have some muscles to for the steering.
Okay.
The steering wheel is large, it's big, but
you
still have to.
You still have to grapple with it, as I would say.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think some of these cars.
It's for the brakes too. You have to.
Okay, really stamp on them. Right? They called some of these cars of the period, and some of the Austin Healey's of the time were known as the hairy-chested sports cars. You had to have kind of big muscles to drive these cars in those days before power steering and everything else that we had. But no, that's really good, baby. All right, guys, I think that's been really, really great, isn't it? So thank you so much for showing us your wonderful TR3A. It's a beautiful car, iconic of its era, it really was. And you don't see too many of them on the road these days. So next time you get to get up close and personal, have a really good look, because it's a smashing motor, it really is. And
I want to go to England this or next year. It's a
Come and see
beautiful country
Absolutely.
to be there with the TR3.
No, that would be brilliant. Absolutely. Top down and the sun shining. What could be better? And on our behalf, we're presenting Betty with a Arry the Stag badge of honour to wear proudly and be part of the Arry Stag community. So thank you very much, Barry.
Okay.
Okay,
Thanks.
that's great. And we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now.
Bye-bye.